Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this video, we'll show you how to use the schema generation feature. To get started, open the Settings menu and navigate to the Schema tabbing section and enable the Schema option. Upload your business logo in the logo field provided. Next, choose the schema type that best fits your website or business. Select where you want the schema to appear, either in the head or footer section of the page. Now, select the widget and the specific pages where you'd like the schema to appear. Once everything is set, click Save Settings to apply your configuration and enable the schema. To confirm it's working, visit one of the selected pages and check it using a Schema Validator tool to ensure the schema code is inserted and valid as configured. That's it. You've successfully configured the schema generation feature in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to import and export reviews and widgets. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.